Okay, let's get your Wix store ready for the future of online shopping. It's closer than you think.
So a new wave of customers is coming. AI shopping agents. We got to make sure they can find you.
You can think of them as automated personal shoppers, always looking for products just like yours.
Now, these agents need a standard way to understand your store. That standard is the UCP.
It's really just like a universal business card for your products that any AI can read in a snap. The big deal here is that it puts your products in powerful new channels like ChatGPT and Google. Okay, but here's the thing. As of right now, Wix doesn't have native UCP support. But there's a fix. We just have to use Wix's own developer tools to serve up that business card from the right place.
All right, so you've basically got 2 effective ways to get this done on your site. Let's break them down.
This chart sums it up nicely. You can either use Velo right inside Wix or an external hosting setup. We're going to focus on the Velo method. Honestly, it's the best path because it keeps everything inside Wix.
The whole process really just boils down to these 3 steps. The full guide has all the details.
And the end result is simple. You've published a discovery profile that opens your store to AI.
Of course, you're going to want to make sure everything is actually set up and working like it should. And you can. It's super easy to confirm your setup by running a simple validation test.
The guide has absolutely everything you need: the code, the step-by-step, and that validation tool. Getting discovered is just the first step. Grab the guide and get your store ready for the future.